Hey everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So today is a Wednesday and I have no lectures today, so I thought I would vlog us going out and doing some errands and stuff. I haven't put too much makeup on just because I wasn't really feeling it and I need to give my skin a little bit of a break, but I just didn't feel confident enough to go out without it. We are off to town. I need to get quite a few things. I've got a list on my phone. They're more like practical things for my uni work, and I also need to get a box and some stamps and stuff to send off Chloe's giveaway prizes because Chloe won my giveaway on my blog. So yeah, congratulations Chloe. I'll leave her link down below so you can go check out her channel. It seems so bad because obviously I only just recently met Chloe, but literally I use a random generator all the time to do my giveaways and she happened to win, so obviously I'm not going to be like, oh no, because I'm friends with her, she's not winning. Like, it was literally the random pick. So I just need to put my shoes on and then we're going to go walk and meet Megan. And we're going to go into town and I'll bring you along with us because I think we're going to have a walk up to the cathedral again, have a look around and explore, and also I think we're going to go try out one of the tea rooms because we haven't done that already and I don't know how because we all love tea so much. We have a list on my phone as well of all the different tea rooms we want to go to before we leave Lincoln. Obviously we've got 3 years to do it, but there are a lot of tea rooms here. Right, so we're just in town now. I've just bought some things in Wilko and I bought my Tesco bag so I could save money on buying a bag. I've got all the things that I pretty much needed. I just need to... I think there's one more thing that I need on my list and I can't remember what it is. We're going to post off Hat's parcel. Right, so we're back in the sweet shop and I always think that person's a real person.
Quail eggs?
Oh, no, sorry, what are these?
They're like, have you had a walnut whip before?
Yeah, oh no, they're good, yeah.
I think it's like them, but
that's so good. I love these crushed Easter eggs. Chocolate pretzels.
Chocolate. No way.
No, where's the honeycomb then? Oh.
I should take so many to choose. One thing is true, they all lead back to you. And now I see the light. Why can't I get it right? The message is clear, the signs are all here.
It's so dark. What? Of course it's not. So we've just finished off in town. I end up getting all my things pretty quickly. That never happens. Like, I never actually just get everything I need. Yeah, anyway. We are going to...
I want to get a coffee.
We're off to our first tea room. We're going to do a tea room...
Is there not all tea rooms?
Crawl. Cafe crawl. Cafe crawl. Tuesday Wednesday. It's not even Tuesday.
In summer.
In summer.
Hey. We cross now.
Okay, we're going to the Rising Cafe, which I've never been to before. It's not too far away, and hopefully it's nice. Megan wants a coffee. What do you want? Tea? I want a cup of tea and I want some lemon cake. Okay.
I'm pretty sure that it's in that Alive building.
Okay, we'll try it out. There should be
Alive is not. Alive is like a church.
We need to. That's the Little Lincoln Cafe that we keep seeing the signs to. You know when it says Little Lincoln Cafe to the left. Yeah, we'll write that on the list as well. Yeah, we'll just have to find this cute little cafe and hopefully it's nice. Oh, this is so cute.
So take my hand, I'll understand it all leads back to you.
What are we doing, Hatman?
Going to the museum. What's the museum on?
I don't know. Actually no, it doesn't. It looks history.
Yeah.
Right, so we've just come into Bunty's tea room and we're doing a cafe crawl. It's so cute in here, it's like more old fashioned. The other one was sort of, we went to the Rising Cafe first. And what was the other one? Yeah, it was like war and more history.
Is that Rise from the Rubble? This is still set in war though.
Yeah. But like this is more like vintage.
That's when tea rooms were a thing.
Yeah.
Because it helped win the war.
Cute. Yeah, we're sitting upstairs and we're like, it's on steep hill, so. We're just going back now, yeah? Okay, so yes please. Okay, so we've just finished off in Bunty's tea room. So we've ticked off 2 things off our list, which is good. Also, if you're ever in Lincoln, I recommend going out between like 12 and 4 because like it's this chill. It's just so chilled. There's barely anyone around. Like, it's just really chilled. So if you ever want to like look around and you don't want it to be crowded, then definitely go on the weekdays in the middle of the day. I want steak. We've literally just had two lots of lunch. We just had more tea and cake, and I have no regrets because we're making memories and living life, you know. Yeah. Both of them. Wait, which one did you prefer? They were different though.
Bunty's was really nice.
But I think Bunty's was cute because there was less seats and it was just more cute. But then the Rising Cafe was, it was nice. It was just crowded in there. But maybe we went at a bad time. We'll have to find out. But it was so good. The food, the banana bread. Oh. Wait, is this a steakhouse?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a hidden steakhouse in the middle of the street. It's just like one little door. Wait, should I just go get my nipple pierced?
Yeah, do it.
Might as well.
Oh, do that every time.
I think I'm going to throw up. Wait, what arcade?
An arcade bar. It's a gaming bar with arcades.
We've just got back from town. We went shopping first because I need to get like a few essential things. I got this wrapping paper because I thought it was really cool. I think this was in Wilko. It's a 2-meter wrapping paper and it's got like all the different colours. The rainbow, it's all metallic. And I'm wrapping up Aiden's present from me and my mum in this because I've got the present that my mum wanted to give him at mine. And then I also got some stationery. I did like a mini stationery haul. I wanted to organise all my new modules out, so I got this really big my arch file so I can fit in all of my modules for the entire first year. And then I got some separators to sort it all out because I just like being organised and stuff, and I just really needed to organise everything from my first semester because it's all like in my old folders that I want to transfer my new stuff, like current stuff, into. And then I also got some 50 plastic wallets from Wilko. All of this stuff was like £1 or £1.50, so cheap. So if you want to go to stationery shopping, go to Wilko because there's so many like essential things in there. I got 2 really cute cards in paper chase for Aiden. So this is his Valentine's Day card and this is his birthday card because I thought it was so cute. So, oh, it's so cute. I just love it. And this is Aiden's birthday card and they were both £2.50 each from paper chase. I really like putting more thought and effort into the cards because I just think they're so cute. And then I also got these like tags because I'm going to start selling my stuff on Depop, and I'm going to stick these all on my parcels for the Depop stuff, and I'm also sending off Chloe's giveaway prizes. So yeah, I got all that stuff from Wilko. And then we also went into the British Heart Foundation. I'm pretty sure it was a British Heart Foundation. We just went through some of the charity shops to have a look, and Megan noticed these and they're in my size. I'm a size 7. I know I have massive feet. I hate it. Yeah, they're these rose gold shoes and they're from New Look. Brand new. They've got all like the tags and stuff on. They were £26 and they were £5. So they're brand new, like, and I just couldn't leave them. They were £5. And I know my mum's gonna be like, you've gone out for food and you're buying stuff, blah blah, but these are good opportunities. I know I don't have a lot of money, but I just want to spend, like, I just couldn't leave these there because one, they're brand new, and like we went up to 2 cafes today. Well, a tea room and a cafe. And I don't know, I just really like it because I'll look back at them times and be like, oh, we went there one day, and whenever we walk past it, we'll think about the times and stuff. I don't know, I really like spending money on experiences. Please don't hate me. Like, I know I complain about money so much and I know I still spend it, but it's like all worth it and I'm doing what I want with it. I'm happy with everything that I got today because I got so many things that I needed to get, especially like cards and stuff for Aiden's birthday and Valentine's Day at the weekend, and we do that. Me and Hattie are going to go do our white laundry now. We did all of our blacks and colours last week. Me and Hattie are both getting the train on Friday. I'm going to see Aiden and she's going home, so we're both travelling to London because Hattie lives in Watford, so let's go to the laundry. We finished doing our washing and drying and stuff, and I've just come back and I've just been working on my math stuff. I've done like a quarter of the sheet that I need to do for Friday, and then me and Hattie just had some dinner and I've been FaceTiming my boyfriend because he's helping me so much with my math stuff. Like honestly, I don't know what I'd do without Aiden right now because he's just so clever and so good at maths. He's doing physics, so like half of his course is maths, like I say quite a lot. But yeah, I'm waiting for Aiden to FaceTime me back because I need help again. But I'm currently doing indices, logarithms and solving equations, so this is the sort of stuff that I'm currently doing. I think Aiden said it was like pretty much A-level maths, like the stuff that's on here, and obviously I didn't do that, so I am struggling a little bit. But as soon as he's like teaching me it, I am getting the hang of it. At first I looked at it and I wanted to cry. Maths is just not something that I love. I used to a lot, but now I'm just like... Also, I know I complain about the Lincoln water a lot, so a girl has suggested, and along with a lot of other people, that I get a water filter, and I should have picked one up today in Wilko's, which is so annoying. So I'm going to do that next week when I go to town after I've come back from London. So yeah, thank you to anyone who's recommended me a water filter because I do need one. I just keep forgetting. So I'm just on FaceTime to my mum and brother, and Benefit sent me mum's like doing an unboxing on FaceTime. Benefit sent me to my house their new Bad Gal Bang mascara. Can you open it please?
Sure.
Thank you. But yeah, I thought I'd do an unboxing on here because I was so excited when mum said that she got a parcel from Benefit because everyone seemed to have got it. This is the Bad Gal Bang. I'm well excited to try it though because literally they took people to the Maldives to announce it there.
Do you want me to take it out of the box?
No, it's fine. That's fine there. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Kind of got the box bit you'll put it in.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bit different on the...
Yeah, it looks cool.
Not the balls on it.
Yeah. Wait, what did you say?
Good grip.
It's got a good grip. Okay. Doesn't matter. I'm in my pyjamas. I've just been doing maths for ages and my head's like, ugh, I've only done half of it, so I'm going to wake up early and do the rest with Aiden in the morning, but I'm just going to make some dessert from earlier, so I'm going to make a healthy yogurt. Yeah, literally my math stuff is so shit. Hello. By the way, I'm just about to wrap my boyfriend's presents and the giveaway prizes for Chloe. If you watch my Vlogmas videos, you'll know how much I love wrapping. I literally wrapped my entire family's presents for Christmas, literally all my mum's, my dad's, my brother's, mine, my boyfriend's. I just wrapped everyone's presents because I love wrapping so much. I'm annoyed because I don't have anything to decorate these with, but I'm gonna have to do. I love this paper though so much. It was in Wilko. Right, so I've just finished wrapping all of these presents over here and the giveaway prize for Chloe and writing all my cards for Aiden and stuff. I'm going to show you how I organise my life in a second. I've just finished wrapping the presents and I'm just about to organise all my stuff for like the second semester modules and how I'm organising everything. So when I've sorted it all out, I'm going to share with you like how I'm organising everything, just to give you guys some like maybe inspiration or tips on how to organise everything at uni, maybe. I don't know. It is getting very late now, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I've done to organise my life. I bought this huge folder earlier as I showed you, and then I bought loads of plastic wallets and dividers, so I have like this contents I guess page at the front. So I've put in the 4 modules that I had in semester A, so I've put semester A 1 to 4, and then all the different modules I did last semester. In here I have section 1, which was cell biology. So I've got all my notes, seminars, worksheets, workshops, and any revision I've done all in here. And then there's cell biochemistry, crime scene to core, like all my maths workshops, and then my anatomy stuff. And I'm deciding to put every single thing in here. So my life out this way, I thought it would be the best option for some reason. I don't know, I just wanted everything to be in one place, you know. So then now I can use my 4 main folders for my new stuff, which I've been keeping over here, and it was annoying me so much, so I decided to go get all my stuff today. So I have genetics, which will probably go in one of the black folders, as well as my other chemistry module, because they're like the sort of broader underlying topics, whereas my other 2 subjects are more forensics related, like crime scene investigation, etc. So yeah, I'm just about to sort all this out. But first I thought I'd say goodbye. Thank you very much for watching today's vlog. It was a little bit of everything today. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Night.